Hey guys, what's happening? Erase your digital footprint in 3 simple steps. First of all, delete old accounts and data. Use a website called justdelete.me. Again, justdelete.me, and to find and remove unused accounts. Also, request data deletion from companies you've interacted with. Next, remove personal info from search engines. Google yourself, right? Google yourself and use Google's remove outdated content tool to delete search results linking to your info. Right? You can just type right here Google's remove outdated content tool. Right? And you can go ahead and see how it's done from there. Lastly, what you're gonna do, go to ghost mode. Use a VPN, right? If you have already set up your own configuration, go ahead to the general, scroll a little bit down to the VPN and device management, then go to the VPN, switch to encrypted messaging apps like Signal or Proton, Mail, and disable tracking on social media and browsers. You can just go back to the settings and then go to the privacy and security. You can stop the location services or and track it in order to stay on the grid, right? Stay off the grid, excuse me. Regularly clear cookies and use alias emails for new accounts. So let's find out the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.